Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Raminmark, your go-to channel for the best and most honest product reviews. I'm Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer, founder of Raminhub and Raminmark, and an expert in Photoshop. Today, we're diving deep into an absolute game-changer in the world of beard grooming, the Beard Club Beard Trimmer for Men. If you want barber-quality trims, ultimate precision, and a powerful, long-lasting trimmer, then stay tuned because this might just be the last trimmer you'll ever need. Alright, let's unbox this bad boy and see what we get inside. The Beard Club Beard Trimmer, sleek, all-black, premium build. 8 color-coded guides, for an insane 45 unique trimming lengths. Charging stand and cable, rechargeable and cordless. Cleaning brush, for easy maintenance. Right off the bat, this feels premium in the hands. Solid build, lightweight, and compact, which is great for travel. Let's put it to the test. James Harden's favorite. This trimmer is personally endorsed by the NBA superstar himself. Ultra-sharp mower blades. Cuts through both beard and body hair effortlessly. 7,000 RPM quiet electric motor. Powerful yet whisper quiet. Lithium-ion battery. Over 3+ hours of cordless use on a full charge. Easy maintenance. Blades repel dirt and oil to prevent irritation. Travel lock. No accidental power-ons in your bag. 1-year warranty. Peace of mind with a guaranteed quality check. One thing that really stands out is the powerful yet smooth cutting experience. With 45 trimming lengths, this trimmer gives you the freedom to sculpt, shape, and style your beard exactly how you want it. Whether you want a full beard, stubble, or clean fade, this trimmer can handle it all. Now let's put it to the real-world test. I'm using a 6mm guide for a sharp and clean trim. Wow! That was super smooth, no tugging, no irritation, just a perfect cut. Whether you're a beard enthusiast or a professional barber, this trimmer gets the job done effortlessly. One thing I love is how easy it is to clean. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth, or use the included brush to remove any hair buildup. No fuss, no mess. So, is the Beard Club Beard Trimmer worth it? Super sharp blades, clean, precise cuts every time, powerful 7,000 RPM motor, no snagging, no pulling, long battery life, over 3 hours of use on a single charge, ultimate versatility, perfect for beards, mustaches, fades, and body grooming. If you're looking for the best beard trimmer on the market, I highly recommend the Beard Club Beard Trimmer. It's powerful, precise, and built to last. If you want to upgrade your grooming game, check out the link in the description to get yours today. Also, let me know in the comments what beard style you rock and if you've tried this trimmer before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic product reviews. See you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay stylish.